Hi, I'm Dan. Welcome to Airbrush Garage. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some really cool new airbrush accessories that I designed right here in the Airbrush Garage. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. You guys know the drill. Consider subscribing. Hit those links. It all really helps out. With that, let's get started. All right, like I said in the intro, I got three main products I want to share with you today. Again, I designed all of these myself. They're totally unique. And the first one I want to share with you today is a 6 airbrush holder that rotates. All of these products, I want to say, are 3D printed, and that's the way I'm going to be selling them. I'm going to be selling the 3D file for you guys. Whether you have a 3D printer or not, if you do, great. If not, I'm sure you know somebody who does, or there's local print shops in your area. So for a very, very small fee, you can go check this stuff out on the website. I'll share that information with you in a minute. But you can get these things 3D printed, as many as you want. I happen to have 2 of these. So what I'm going to show you next on this, which is really cool, not only does it rotate, but it has a drawer built right in here. And as you can see here, I have all my accessories in it. Everything from needles, nozzles, to wrenches. And just to give it an added touch, cool feature on it is the drawer pull on it is shaped like an airbrush cup. All right, next up what I'm going to show you is a rotating 2-piece. Has a base, and then it has the actual organizing unit that goes in it. Rotating keeps your desk nice and organized, holds 6 paints. These are 2-ounce bottles. It also holds 4-ounce bottles as well, and a 16-ounce bottle of reducer or paint, whatever you like, in the middle. I have this one over here to show you that it also holds really nicely for you guys and girls out there that like to use or utilize paintbrushes or other accessories with your arsenal. It does a really nice job with that as well. The other thing, and the last thing I have to share with you here, is the paint paddle. Paint paddle just goes into a 2 or 4-ounce bottle of paint. The width is designed to fit within your 2 or your 4-ounce bottles. Just put it on your drill, put it at a high speed. This one has 2 settings, low or high, doesn't matter. You go in here, it mixes them up really well. Now, I don't really need that to mix my normal paints, but what I do use it for is my specialty paints, where you see a paint like this where everything is settled to the bottom. I can sit there and shake this for 2, 3 minutes, 4 minutes until my arm fell off, and I still can't get this to mix up really well. With the paint paddle, I probably have a dozen of these paddles laying around the shop, and it works so good. You just go in there for about 20, 30 seconds, not even. Put your cap back on, your lid back on, give it a shake. It's totally mixed up. Best paint shaker that I've ever had. So with that, I hope you like these products. If you do, I got a link down below for the website. Take you over to the Airbrush Garage website where you can purchase these products. They are STL files, which is a 3D print file. Again, print them out yourself, take them to your local printer. This way I can sell them for a fraction of the price. If I was gonna sell something like this particular model online, I'd be selling for about $45. Rotating organizers would retail for about $25 a piece. So go on over to the website and check out those prices. You're gonna be shocked at how cheap it really is. So with that, just keep in mind, anything that you purchase really goes to help out the garage. We really appreciate it over here. With that, see you in the next video.